Most riders think wearing gear means they're safe, but here's the truth. Most wear it wrong. In an accident, that mistake can cost you your life. Today I'll show you real protective gear secrets that actually work, tips that can save your body and your future. Ready to find out what actually works? Let's dive in. Forget flashy logos. The most important thing about your helmet is the fit. Your helmet should feel like a firm handshake around your skull, no wobble, no movement. Cheek pads should press firmly into your cheeks. That pressure keeps the helmet secure in a crash. Always go for a full-face helmet. The jaw is the most commonly injured part in a crash. Wear your helmet in the store for at least 10 minutes. If it's uncomfortable, try another size. Fasten the chin strap every single time. Loose straps are as bad as no helmet. Bottom line. It's not about the brand, it's about the fit. Your first instinct in a crash, throw your hands out, so gloves matter. Look for gloves with hard knuckle protection and palm sliders. They absorb impact and let your hands slide, not stick. Cheap gloves rip apart. Don't risk it. Your gloves should let you grip the controls easily and fit like a second skin. Loose gloves can twist off. Tight gloves cut off circulation. Try different pairs until you find one with a natural grip and flexible fingers. The right gloves feel like an extension of you. If your armor isn't in the right place, your jacket is just a windbreaker. Shoulder and elbow armor should stay put. Adjust straps so they move with you. Swap flimsy foam back pads for a certified protector that covers your whole spine. Cinch everything down until it's snug, but not restrictive. Check your range of motion. Armor only works when it's in the right place. Take a few seconds before every ride to double-check your jacket. Regular jeans shred in seconds during a crash. Don't trust them. Kevlar-lined pants are the minimum. They protect your skin in high-impact zones. Look for pants with built-in knee and hip armor that stays in place. Riding pants are tested for abrasion resistance. Regular jeans aren't. If you won't wear riding pants, at least use knee guards under your jeans. There are plenty of stylish options now. No excuses. Protect your legs. Road rash is not a good look. Your feet control everything. Don't risk them with regular sneakers. Riding boots with ankle coverage and hard soles are non-negotiable. If your shoe folds in half, it's not good enough for the bike. Look for strong tread and reinforced heels, toes, and sides. Try a few pairs. Your boots should feel secure but let you move naturally. Even short trips deserve proper shoes. Lock your feet in with the right gear every single time. The best gear won't help if drivers can't see you. Bright colors and reflective strips make you impossible to miss. Add reflective decals to your helmet and tape to your bike. LED accent lights and high-vis vests boost visibility day or night. Always ride with your headlight on, even during the day. Make visibility a habit every time you gear up. Riding safe is smart. Gear gives you confidence in survival. Don't just wear gear, wear it right every time. Take these tips, check your gear, and share this with every rider you know. Let's make safety the new standard in our community. This is Ride Vault. See you on the next one. If you need a further reduction or more creative tightening,